What is się and when to use it? Part 2. Today, the Polish reflexive pronoun się and action done to each other. The Polish reflexive pronouns are also used to talk about actions that are done in return and done by two entities to each other. In English, the usual way to talk about such activities is to add each other or one another to the verb, like in the sentence, "These politicians really hate each other." Here is how you do this in Polish. Szanujemy się, chociaż się nie lubimy. We respect each other, though we don't like each other. Gdzie się spotkamy? Where are we going to meet? Tom często kłóci się z Julią. Tom often argues with Julia. Szanujemy się, chociaż się nie lubimy. We respect each other, though we don't like each other. Sentence number 1 contains two classic examples of reciprocity. Both the respect and the dislike are mutual, which is apparent in the grammar of the Polish sentence, as well as its English translation. Sentences number 2 and 3 are a bit more tricky. While the reciprocity is clearly marked with się in Polish, the English verbs to meet and to argue do not really require each other to make sense in this context. However, if you think about it, it is not that hard to see that the action of meeting and arguing require the active participation of both parties. The rule about moving the reflexive pronoun before the verb to avoid placing stress on się still applies. If some emphasis is required in the given context, się can be replaced with siebie, although this happens somewhat less frequently. Most verbs appearing in reciprocal structures like szanować się, to respect each other, or lubić się, to like each other, can also be used without się. This kind of non-reciprocal use is actually much more common. You would often say things like lubię Toma, I like Tom, or szanuję tych ludzi, I respect these people. However, kłócić się, to argue, is very rarely used without się, and even when it is, its meaning is rather different. Because of this, it is sometimes classified as a figurative reflexive and not a literal one. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.